Hello everyone! This will be our sixth video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hi. Look, I'll be honest. Sometimes we implement a change and half the team doesn't even understand it. Either they misunderstand it or they apply it differently depending on the area. And in the end, I have to repeat the same instructions 10 times or create training sessions that no one remembers. It's exhausting. And on top of that, I have to deal with the resulting errors.
This is more common than you think. In many companies, communication about internal changes is the weakest link. That's why the multi-agent system has a dedicated agent to prevent this, the training and communications agent.
And what exactly does it do?
This agent is responsible for translating each system change into clear, understandable, and useful information for your team. It not only explains what changed, but also the why, how, and purpose of each adjustment. And it does so automatically, visually, and tailored to the level of each professional profile.
Automatic? So I don't have to do anything?
Exactly. This agent is made up of 3 sub-agents that work together to ensure the information arrives correctly: the materials generator, the dialogue agent, and the presentation AI.
Let's take it one step at a time. What kind of things does the material generator create?
Everything your team needs to understand and implement a change correctly: a PDF manual with examples, an explanatory video with voice or avatar, an interactive infographic, a step-by-step guide, and personalized informational emails. You can even generate a mini quiz to ensure understanding, and all of this is generated automatically as soon as a new plan is approved or a process is updated.
That would save me a lot of time. Because now, every time something new comes out, someone has to stop and start preparing materials, and there are always delays.
With this system, that's solved. What's more, the materials are distributed through the channels you choose: email, WhatsApp, Teams, Intranet, and even push notifications if you have an internal app.
What if someone has a specific question or wants to review something days later?
This is where the second subagent comes in, the dialogue agent. It's a chatbot trained with all the system documentation and materials generated by the other subagent. Your team can ask it in natural language: "How do I register a lead now?" or "Where is the new quote form?" and receive a clear response with a direct link to the most up-to-date resource.
And can everyone use it? Even technicians who aren't in front of a computer?
Everyone, from your mobile phone, from your CRM, from your ERP, or even integrated into the tool you use every day. It's like having a digital trainer available 24/7. No wait times.
And presentation AI, who is it for?
This one is designed for you, management, and department heads. It takes all the system data, implementation indicators, adoption rates, feedback received, preliminary results. And with that, it generates automatic executive presentations, a summary of the change, expected impact, real-time KPIs, and next steps. It gives you slides ready to present at meetings, board meetings, committee meetings, or even for external reports.
I love it. Because I often have to explain to management why we did something, and I don't have enough time to put the message together properly. And I often end up improvising or coming up with something incomplete.
With this AI, you have it in minutes. Updated and with a clear narrative that helps you argue and justify each decision.
So with this agent, not only does the entire team know, but they understand it well, apply it equally, and I can communicate it upstream without effort or wasted time.
Exactly. Clear communication, complete alignment, and zero ambiguity. Because having a good plan is useless if no one understands it, interprets it differently, or applies it differently. This agent ensures that everyone is on the same page with the company's real data.
Okay. We've already got the analysis, proposal, implementation, and communication secured. What if my team needs to coordinate across departments? Because that also leads to a lot of lost efficiency and bottlenecks.
That's what the next agent, which we'll see in the next video, is for: the interdepartmental collaboration agent. It connects all departments so they don't work in isolated silos and can coordinate in real time. I hope you like it.
Surely so, given the agents you've been explaining to me so far. First, I need to speak with someone to clarify a specific question I have about a specific process in my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
Of course, if you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people in companies.